What is going on, everybody? I am Benign, the friendliest spine of all time, and welcome back to this pack opening of mine. Didn't know what to call it. Don't want to say video. Don't want to say... I don't know. I don't know what I wanted to say. But, alas, here we are. As you can see, we're rocking with the new mat today. We got a new thing. It's not just a blank canvas. Also, you might hear the birds in the background, especially Roxy. Big Bird is hyper right now. She's very hyper, so let's see what happens. We might hear some bells. Anyways, yeah. Champions Path. We're going to open some Champions Path today. We're going to open this up. Now give me 1 second, and I'm going to get this buddy cracked open. Alrighty, so we got this. Here we are. We've got that going on. Focus yourself. Focus. Who says that? Alright, so also, of course, as usual, we're gonna open this up. And there will be our final pack. If you know what that is. You should know what that is. Ooh, alright. Big boy Dubwool. Big boy Dubwool. Big boy Dubwool. Big boy Dubwool. I'm gonna put this. Oh wow, this is nice too. I'm gonna put this right where that there. Oh, okay. He's stuck in there. He can stay there for now. I don't care. Okay. Dreadnought. Dreadnought. Obstagoons. And Cream. And boom. There's your code card. Here's your code. Also, I have other codes that I'm going to be peppering in throughout. So if you're interested, hang out, because there's going to be other, not just from the packs, separate ones. Okay, all right. So let's see here. Let's start with a Dreadnought. Seeing that we have two. So we'll start with a Dreadnought. Let's see what happens. Alright, what is this? 4? Yeah, this is 4. Alright, cool. Alright, so Champions Path. I'm not expecting much, to be honest with you. Not expecting much at all. Because I know Champions Path is a bit brutal. And I'm not too concerned about it. I mean, it's just... I didn't open up a lot of Champions Path, so I wanted to open up more of it, and that's exactly what I'm doing. Okay, if it's an energy, water. Okay, cool. Focus yourself, my friend. What is up with you? Alright, there we go. What? Oh. You drill. Dude, I love this art. This is one of my favorite Machoke arts. Dude looks so badass, it's crazy. Alright, let's see. Rotom Bike, wow, this thing. Alright, let's see. Scraggy. Lanoon, Galarian Lanoon. Weedle. I don't know how I feel about the clay. The clay things, Ekans. Dude, that's one thing, man. This set has some real cool art. I really do like the art in this set. You can really get behind it. Carvana. Hatterene, is it the reverse? Sure is. Sure is the reverse. Imagine we get something. Imagine we get a big hit right now. Ooh, Gardevoir VMAX. Okay. Don't think I have this, so it's okay. It's a, it's decent. It's decent. Let me. That's probably going to be the only good thing we get out of this. It's probably going to be it. Alright, let's see here. Imagine. Oh, God. I know this set has that Charizard, right? The Charizard in this set. That would be nice. That would be real nice. It's not going to happen, though. It's okay. I understand. I know these things. I know it's not going to happen. We're going to go with Creamy. We're going to save Goon for last. We're going to save Goon Squad for last. Alright. Great. Code coming up. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's see what we got going on here. It's gonna be a steal. Damn it, fire. Hop. Arbok, nice. Ooh, look at that. Sharp Fang, Tail Snap. I like that art. That's nice art. Sharpedo, cool. This set has some cool cards. It's got a good choice. Good choice of Pokemans in this set. Kakuna, alright. Does it have reprints of other sets? I feel like it does. Very well might. Carvana, oof. There's not a lot in this set, right? Yeah, 73. 73 cards in this set. Scraggy Diddly Dag. Ekans. Zygarde. Is it hollow? Yes, it is a hollow. Cool, cool, cool. Hollow. Right on, right on. Alright. Not bad, not bad. Not bad. At least we're getting hollows. Alright, at least we're getting hollows. So I don't have to worry too much about the whole, you know, we don't get a hollow. Alright, actually, you know what? That's with a different set. So I'm not worried about that. Let's not. Alright. So never mind. Also, here's a code card. Here's a code card. Surprise, surprise. Okay. Turtle Boy, back to the turtles. We're back with the turtle. Champion's Path. Ooh, watch. The one pack I say for last is gonna have nothing in it. What is that? What is that? We got Splat? What? What the fuck is this? Fucking Splat. Fucking Splatoon. Oh my goodness, dude. That's garbage. Alright, it's gonna be... Man, it's gonna be grass. Oh, fighting, of course. Great Ball. Boom, Absol. Damn, dude, we're taking forever doing this. My bad. I like to take my time. Carvana, fancy seeing you here. Nick it. Oh boy. Oh boy. Grapplock V. Okay. Not bad. Not bad, not bad. I mean, dude, this is a pretty solid... This is a solid case right here, dude. This is a solid Dubwool. Dubwool is doing us good right now. It's pretty solid stuff going on here. Pretty solid stuff. Wow. Okay, last pack. Last pack of this. Last pack of this. Let's see. It's gonna have nothing in it. It's gonna have a non-hollow. It's gonna be the one pack I say for last is gonna be garbage. Can't wait. Okay. With the code card. Alright, let's see. Ooh, alright, solid. Alright. Water. Damn it. Come on, man. Alright. Kaboo. Kabutops. Choke. Badass. Victini. And a Sizzlipede, I guess. A lot of fire. Alright. Give you a hot second to situate yourself. So I got like a newer camera, I guess, and I'm using that. And it's autofocus, as you can see. So it has to like situate its life every time something happens. Which is a little annoying, and I apologize for the constant focusing, but at the same time, it's like, hey. Okay, I thought it was gonna like focus, but I guess not. Is it the reverse? Sure is. Sure is. Hot, wow. Obstagoon and an Obstagoon pack. Okay. Alright, well, you know what? I'll take that, though. Every pack, I don't know if, no, I was going to say, I don't know if that's a thing with Champion's Path where you always get a holo. But every pack we opened gave us a holo. So I will take that. I'll take that. That's solid stuff, dude. That is solid stuff. We got 2 full arts. Yeah, we got 2 full arts and 2 holos. And look at this. Look at this. Grappalock, Obstagoon, Zygarde, and bada bing bada boom. Yeah. Not bad. Not bad. Gardevoir. Coming in nice and pretty. Right on. Right on. Almost just straight up bent it. So you know what? Here's what we're going to do. We're going to open up a Sword and Shield pack. We're going to open up a Sword and Shield pack. That's what we're going to do. We'll open up a Sword and Shield pack. And then we'll do our last pack. Alright. Okay. Trash. Okay. Boom. Alright, solid. Let's see. See what happens. Let's see if we get anything good out of this. Jingle jangling. Birds of jingle jangling. Water type. Oh, psychic, of course. Of course it's like. Yes. Yes. I don't care what happens. I'm very happy about this. I'm very happy that we got Rhydon. Eldegoss. Air balloon. Okay. I thought the focusing was my eyeballs for a second. I was like, bro, what is going on right now? You gotta get your together, man. Come on. Alright, Goldeen. Roselia. Okay, there's a reverse. There's the reverse. And bang! Drapion. Garbage. Okay. Well, there goes that. But we got Rhydon. So, right on to that. Come on, man. What's going on here? Alright. Now, let's see how it goes. Let's see. Venusaur. Yet again. Let's see. Let's see if Venusaur can do us some good. Oh. Evolutions. Alright, let's see. Ooh, man, this is nerve-wracking. Alright. And I'll say it, if we don't get a holo, I will open up a pack of Shining Fates. Code. Okay. We don't get a holo. Shining Fates. 3. Let's see how this goes. Machoke. Nice. Machoke. Alright, switch. I really need Here Comes Team Rocket. The secret rare in this. And I need it. I have all the other secret rares, but I don't have Here Comes Team Rocket. And I want it. Alright, energy. Growlithe. Machop, nice. Nidorino. Close my eyes, close my eyes. Well, looks like we're opening up a pack of Shining Fates. First time. Took long enough, right? And we'll be right back. Okay, then. So, check it out. Pop. Pop. Yep. There it is. Toxtricity. Alright, let's see. Oh, goodness. Alright. I'm nervous. I am nervous. It's the last pack. Let's see. Let's see if we get any magic. Just a holo. Ooh, alrighty. Shining Fates. There it is. Ooh, boy. I'm nervous. Not gonna lie, I'm nervous. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and say fire. Psychic. God, that was my first guess. That was my first guess. Gym Trainer. Thwacky. Floatzel. Come on, dude. Horsey. Cufant. Choodle. I'm going nice and slow too, because it's not every day that I'm going to be able to open these bags. I'm really taking it in. Morpeko. It's not the reverse. Cufant. Oh, that's the reverse. Damn. Oh. I'm a little disappointed. I'm gonna lie, I'm a little disappointed. I don't want this card. I got this card, I think, in a Japanese pack. Got it in the ETB. This is like the common thing. Well, but hey, I'm not gonna end on a sour note. It is what it is. Cufant. Evolutions let us down, man. Evolutions let us down. Dang. Alright. Well, at least Champion's Path did, you know, did us alright. Did good for us. Yet again, let's take a quick peek at that. Bada bang. Bada boom. Obstagoon, that's really common. Zygarde, I feel like that. I feel like these are common hollows. But these boys are just common hollows. Grapplock V, I'm cool with that. I am cool with that. Definitely cool with this. Right on. Right on, right on, right on. Okay. There we go. That's gonna do it for this one. Champion's Path, Dubwool. Evolutions failed us. And Shining Fates. Our fate was not very shiny today, unfortunately. But I have a great time doing this. I hope you guys enjoy these, because I sure as hell do. Look, man, this is fun. Alright. Just all around. Like, this is such a nice a nice thing to be doing. I just hope you all enjoy it too. Alright. I'm Benign Cactus. All I love is appreciated, and I appreciate you. And it's gonna be a good old solid. Right on to right on. Bye-bye.